my neurologist appointment yesterday was a fucking shit show, you guys. Like, I was told I was going there for like a CAT scan, like my CAT scan and everything like that. And all they did was tell me to eat healthy, exercise, drink lots of fluids, all stuff that I do already. I've suffered with migraines literally for as long as I can remember. I can remember getting my first migraine. But yeah, that doctor did squat. Absolutely squat. So, pretty disappointed in that. Sucks. Sucks so bad. I am hiding outside from my kids right now. They're inside. They're fighting over watching PewDiePie versus Paw Patrol. Thanks PewDiePie. Thanks PewDiePie for starting to do Minecraft videos again. Now all my daughter wants to watch is PewDiePie Minecraft videos. And my son hates it. I'm cold. Can you tell I'm in my winter jacket? At least it's a warm winter jacket. This jacket is so freaking warm. Cooking meat. Gonna make a stir fry.
Cooking beef, yeah.
Gonna put some onions, summer squash.
Cook that beef, yeah.
We got steak, we got onions, we got green peppers, we got summer squash.
Where's the markers?
We got carrots. That one's screaming about markers. I've literally not wanted to do anything all day but sleep. But I got up to make dinner because Kyle likes my stir fries.
Stir fries? Ooh, I didn't eat. Wait, where did the fries come from?
Stir fry, that's what it's called. And then we have rice going in our rice cooker.
You said fries.
A lot of these veggies are from our garden, or from people that we know's garden, which is really nice. She's screaming about markers. What markers? What are you talking about? I don't know.
Then those aren't markers.
I am at my mother's house. I'm gonna cut her hair. So that should be fun. I'm so tired. It is what, 8:30 at night? It feels so much later. Like, it's so dark today. Like, I can remember going for walks and filming outside at 8 o'clock at night, like just a month ago. So it's so dark outside. But yeah, so we're gonna cut some hair. I have like a little, what are these called? Bread wraps. Keeping my hair together right now because my hair dye broke. Story of my life. To keep it warm inside. The story of my life. A story of my life. Trying to stay caffeinated with some tea. I'll probably dip into some coffee here shortly because my mom is the coffee queen, girl. Oh, Bruce is getting up. I guess my stepdad's gonna wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. To get up, get some cash and checks and come on. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month.
Alrighty then.
Alrighty then. What are you doing, Ma?
Huh?
What are you doing? I love your sweater. It was what? Oh, Billy's Mother's sweater. Teddy Fresh Kid. I can't believe my daughter came up to me today and said, Mom, your jacket is Teddy Fresh Kid. That is hilarious. Hashtag Teddy Fresh Kid. What do I hear? Do I hear Bruce? I hear somebody. Bump ba bump, bump ba bump.
You have to take an aspirin a day now too.
An aspirin a day keeps the heart attack away. You're making him coffee.
Yeah.
Aren't you a good wife?
I try to be.
You're a good wife, Mommy.
I try to be.
Try to be. She wrapped her hair. I told her that's not good for her hair.
But it's just temporary.
She doesn't want to listen to me. I'm probably going to end up stealing some coffee from you.
It's alright.
To drink.
It's instant.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Because I'm about out of tea.
I have tea.
No, I don't want any more tea. So I'm going to be cutting my mom's hair. This is going to be fun. We'll see how it goes. You excited, Mom?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, yeah, so excited.
It's been my
Quality
daughter.
time.
This gold.
A Kodak moment.
Or a camera moment.
You didn't get your hair very wet now, did you?
Yeah, I did.
Not the really lately.
Why, you want me to get it wetter?
That's what she said.
Funny girl.
Always. Always, baby, always.
That's what she gave us right there.
Yeah.
What?
Plus, mine is in the paper plate stuff. I couldn't eat it all. And there's a piece of garlic bread in the paper plate thing too.
In there?
Yeah, well, half a piece.
Yeah.
Because
You eat some of it?
yeah. And they ran out of garlic bread, so.
Everybody always runs out of garlic bread. I swear. That's the first thing that always goes in our house, too.
Yeah, I got a question I want to ask you.
What?
You still got Pop Tarts in the car?
No, I ate them.
What?
You ate them, Mom?
I bought a whole pop.
Well, there's one left.
You ate all the Pop-Tarts on him?
There's one.
She ate all the Pop-Tarts.
No. I shared with him because he needed to eat.
I had one fucking Pop.
You had two.
No, I had one.
You had two.
No, I did not.
Mom, that's not nice.
He's not supposed to
I wish
have
I got
them.
some wave to my hair in the gene pool, but I didn't.
I know I ain't supposed to have them.
fair.
God damn it.
You probably would if you didn't dye it all the time.
No, Mom, my hair's never had curls to it.
Every weekend he pulls that out.
You like my new look, honey?
So beautiful.
But every weekend he pulls that out and makes pancakes for my mother.
Aw, that's so cute.
It is.
I'm dying to make a blueberry pie from scratch.
A blueberry pie from scratch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't made a homemade blueberry
Baking
pie.
baking is a lot more difficult than just like cooking because you have to have exact measurements, whereas cooking you can kind of wing it for the most part.
I do it by eye.
Yeah, he does. His apple pies that are so delicious,
Mm-hmm.
he does it all by eye.
That's good.
He doesn't measure anything.
That means you got a good eye.
Yeah.
I'm very busy.
Yeah.
Why do you think my friends give me such a hard time about never seeing them?
Well, you don't have to be there.
Well, I would like to be there though.
Sam is gonna help us.
Sam.
Helen's son.
Oh, okay.
I like being at home.
I do too.
Me too.
That's my favorite time.
Yeah, I'm a homebody too.
But I want it. Now, is Lisbon, how far is Lisbon from...
Well, I'm like
from,
my father, Tarrah. I like to be at home.
No, I'm the same way.
I do too.
You know, because I work hard all fucking week long. I like being at home.
No, honey, you couldn't. I was not expecting you to go.
No.
I have 3 days off this week too. So
Oh, super.
I have Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
That's right, you told me that.
So, what day are you guys planning on doing it?
Well, we'd only have 4 weekends in October.
Well, you need to get your license fucking renewed.
I know.
I need to get a license in general.
Mine's not valid right now.
Yeah, I know. At least with like a renewal of a license, you can kind of play dumb.
You know what?
You can kind of play dumb.
Like, I didn't know I had to renew it this year. Just had a lot going on.
I kind of don't like her driving with a fucking license that's not fucking illegal.
Yeah, but again, like, it's not the end of the world. It's not like she's driving on a suspended license or something. Then I would be worried.
And up here, you really don't have to worry about
No,
it.
not really.
I mean, as far as cops, you know what I'm saying? I
Right.
just don't trust them.
Yeah, it's hard to trust the cops. I have, like, the most anxiety when I see police.
You wouldn't believe how much
Just 'cause
shit
of
I
my
got away with just
experiences.
fucking playing
Yep.
stupid with cops.
Oh, I never get away with anything, so
No, I
It's
do.
true.
people like you, I fucking hate. Because I never get away with shit.
Well, I always twist my hat like this, like Ernest does. He has it sideways like this. And I'm talking to a cop like I'm some fucking hillbilly.
Ways people get out of cop and tickets.
Yeah.
Right here, Bruce 101.
If it's a male cop, I start crying.
See, crying doesn't work for me. me. Our sister, she has a hard time with cops too. She breaks the fuck down. I do too. I have a hard time. Very hard time. It's trauma from police.
Mm-hmm.
Not saying all cops are bad, but
No, I'm just saying.
I just have really bad trauma from police.
Oh, I do. I don't like them either. I mean, you know, in that aspect.
Right.
Because, I mean...
Even if I'm not doing anything wrong.
Right.
I still have
Well, you know how
anxiety.
Ernest is always
the
smiling at people
worst
when he's talking.
anxiety.
Yeah.
When he's talking to somebody.
Yeah.
I'm like this, scratching my head now. Really?
I don't know, but Kyle, like, literally never gets tickets. This is what we talk about in the North Country, by the way, in our spare time.
Mm-hmm. This is true.
I hardly ever come across police, though. I did the other day, and my heart was going a million miles
Oh,
a
I'm
minute.
sure.
I was so fucking petrified.
I don't get petrified no more. I just fucking say, okay, fine.
Well, you don't really have to worry. I have to worry.
I know lately, though, it's been Border Patrol more than
I know
anybody.
it has. Well, the thing is, I told Kyle, I said, when we get our income tax card this year, I have to get my fucking license back.
Yeah.
Like, I can't keep
No.
doing this to myself.
No.
Because it really does. It fucks up my whole, like, if I'm going to work. Because that's the only time I really drive is when I go to work or when I come over here or something. I don't drive, like, all the time.
Right.
But legally, I'm still not supposed to drive.
Right.
So I said, you know, when I pass a cop or when a cop's sitting and I pass them or when they're behind me or whatever, like...
Don't get paranoid.
I do get very paranoid because the car's in my name. They run my name and it says right on there that my license is suspended.
Yeah.
So all they need to do is fucking run it. I have a bad sticker. I don't have full coverage insurance. I have insurance, but and I'm a habitual offender if I get caught. So I get very fucking paranoid. And then it ruins my whole day because I have a fucking panic attack on my way to work. And then I have to like pull myself together because I'm gotta go to work, you know.
Right.
So yeah, it sucks.
Yeah.
And like I said, I can't keep doing it to myself.
No.
Especially when it's just money that I need to pay. It's a lot of money, but...
Well, you know, I think I was telling Bruce, you know, or maybe it was Helen, I don't know, one of the two. But, you know, they say that, you know, having your license is a privilege. Up here, it's a necessity.
Well, yeah, and that's the hard part.
It's not a privilege, it's a necessity.
Like, I would have to, if I were to have Kyle bring me back and forth to work, which I was doing for the last 2 years,
Right.
he would have to pick up Maddox early from school every day that I had to work. And then he would have to drive me
Which is against
45 minutes.
Which is against the law.
Well, he would have to drive me 45 minutes to work.
Yeah.
Drive 45 minutes back home.
Yeah.
And then rip the kids out of bed at 10 o'clock at night when they have school the next day to come pick me up for work.
Yep.
Drive 30 minutes and then hope and pray he doesn't hit a deer on the way with the kids in the car.
Right. A deer or a moose.
Right. So it's just not worth it to me.
No.
At all. So.
And it's a catch-22 because it's against the law for him to pull Maddox out of school because they have to have so many hours of school. You know, and it's... So it's a catch-22.
Yep. No matter what I do, I'm fucked. So, yeah. I just take the risk. Which is a really bold risk and shitty risk, but I do it because I have to.
Yep.
Have to go to work. Have to make money.
Yep.
That's the length I want mine.
Like I said, you know, in a couple, you're gonna have to redo it
I
again.
know, because your hair freaking grows so fast. It's ridiculous.
What do you think, honey?
Brandon, it's green!
What do you think?
Can be satisfied
Honey,
because the
what do you think
music
of my hair?
does me good.
Well,
And
you're
it
happy,
gets
I
me
don't care.
every time like
I'm gonna get up and go over there and have a cigarette.
And it gets me
Music
every
is
time.
Goma, calm down.
music.
Is ba da da da
It's good for the soul.
da 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 da.
I should probably done some.
That's good.
Cut my mother's hair.
Yeah.
Just getting after it.
Get after it, kid.
Brandon wants to get that now.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you got your cowlick thing going on bad.
I know.
Cowlick.
Cowlick! Hey, hey, hey!
Oh, so guess what? Madeline came up to me, and she
This
was
is
like
so
looking at
cute.
my jacket, and I was like, she's like, I like your new jacket, Mom. Listen, she was like, I like your new jacket, Mom, and I was like, oh yeah. She goes, yeah, it's Teddy Fresh, kid. I was like, what?
Yeah.
I told Mike that.
Yeah,
He was
buddy.
like, no way, dude. I'm like, yeah,
Teddy
dude.
Fresh kid.
Teddy Fresh kid.
You know when you're Teddy Fresh, you're Teddy Fresh.
He's like,
You know when you're
he's
Teddy
like, you have
Fresh.
no idea how many times a day that we say that. He's like, even if you're not around, we say that. He's like, there could be a nice truck passing by, and we could be
Oh,
like,
it's
that's
so
Teddy Fresh.
Yes.
I was like, yes. So awesome.
Teddy Fresh.
Mhm. I think the creamer tastes fine. Just wanted to show off your head. It's nice and good. It actually looks really good. I think it came out good. You like it?
Yes, I do.
Looks healthier.
Yes.
Yes, queen. Yes. Yes, queen. Work it.